I'm teacher Salina and I'm from Little Splashes. Today, I'm going to talk about sensory awareness.
What is sensory awareness? It is a developmental process in which babies become more aware of the surrounding by the use of their six senses. These are their sense of sight, touch, taste, smell, hearing, and detection of movement. Stimulating sensory awareness will aid in sensory processing. This refers to the brain's ability to receive, interpret, and effectively use information provided by all their six senses. How do teachers and parents help their babies become more aware of their senses? Sensory play will promote sensory awareness, so teachers and parents can engage them in sensory play. There are several simple and easy-to-do sensory plays that can stimulate and promote sensory awareness, and you can do this at home. Stimulating the sense of sight. Bright colors can be very stimulating, so this can be used in sensory play. Sensory play such as showing, playing, or picking up colorful toys will help to stimulate their vision. The purpose of the visual system is for number 1, survival and protection. Number 2, for attention, orienting, localizing, and tracking. Number 3, for guidance of motor function and posture. Number 4, pathway to the brain. And number 5, identification of the objects in the environment. Stimulating their sense of hearing. Talking and listening to babies helps develop the foundation for language. Maintain eye contact, respond, and smile. The purpose of the auditory system is for number 1, arousal and attention. Number 2, emotional bonding. Number 3, survival and protection. Number 4, information from the environment. Number 5, social and communication. And number 6, underpins speech and language development. Stimulating their sense of taste and smell. Mouthing or tasting is amongst the earliest ways infants explore their environment. It helps babies learn all about different shapes and textures. Their mouth is very sensitive to touch, and they are learning if the toy is hard or soft, and they are figuring out if they can eat it or if it makes a sound. Babies are sensitive to smells and tastes, as the smell evokes strong emotions, and babies are attached to familiar smells. If babies go to the pool regularly, they will become familiar with the smell of the pool and the water. Stimulating the sense of touch. The sense of touch is the first sense to develop. Touch is vital for learning, emotional, and physical development. You can vary this activity by providing bath toys with different textures. When you dry him or her off with a towel, he or she will be experiencing another texture, as well as the difference between wet and dry. Stimulating their sense of movement. Babies have an extreme need to feel balanced and comfortable in their movement. This is how babies experience gravity and balance movement. Swimming is a great way to develop this skill. The natural, unstable, gravityless environment of water allows babies to have freedom and unconsciously keep their bodies in balance. This engages their body's core muscles and will affect their body's whole posture, fine and gross motor development. During lesson is a great way to develop this skill.